Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about Capcut Video Editing software. So, this is very important for content creator or video editor or any kinds of business. I think need video is very important right now, because if you want to grow your business on social platform or other platform like paid ads or something like that, definitely you should edit some videos and you should publish the video on social media. So this is very important, I think. So first of all, today this is the part one, so we can learn today how can download CapCut video editing software completely free. So first of all, we want to go Google and search CapCut download, then we will see the link. So we want to start download. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I want to open this link after search, and I will see the interface for the CapCut, and you will see this kinds of similar interface from your Mac or Windows. So here it is, and I want to download the version from here. So I want to click here, download for free. So I want to click here, CapCut download for free. So here it is, the automatically the CapCut is downloading, and after downloading you will see the option here. I want to click here to install. So and then you will see the interface for the Windows, and I am using Windows, so just you will see this kinds of interface, and just hit the button yes, and you should wait just few minutes, like 5 to 6 or 7 or 10 minutes, I don't know, it depends on your computer configuration, and hope that it will be installed on your PC. So after install, I will open and I will introduce with you guys the first thing for the CapCut video editing software. So just I want to skip this part for the time saving. Okay, after that you will see the CapCut software just testing your PC environment, and after that showing these kinds of interface when I am recording this tutorial. Okay, so now I want to click confirm. This tutorial for very beginner who is really want to learn the basic thing for the CapCut, but I will continuously provide CapCut video editing for the expert level. So please, if you are a beginner, so this video is only for you, and if you are a pro expert and want to learn more about the CapCut video editing, definitely stay with me. Okay, so after that we will see the information like terms on service and privacy policy. So I want to click here agree and continue, and after that you will see the complete interface for the CapCut. So this is the basic interface for the CapCut video. You can use the basic version for the free version, and if you want to upgrade for the next time, definitely you can do this, but for the first time I think CapCut free version is best for you for practice or creating any content or editing any video. So here is some option: the space, the long video to shorts, create image or something like that. Also the first one is a new project. So this is the part one, and I publish the series video for the CapCut video editing. So please subscribe this channel and like this video, and I will continue this series for the pro level editing, and hope that all will be fine.